animals. Alligator. Brown monkey. Red cobra snake. Orange daddy lion. Giraffe with brown spots. Yellow ducky. Gray elephant. Black jaguar. Orange fish. Gray rhinoceros. White polar bear. Brown ox. Blue seal. Brown beaver. Yellow and black butterfly. Green frog. Brown bald eagle. Black spider. Brown bear. Brown daddy deer. Thanks for learning about zoo animals with Squishee Nugget. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and check out any of these other fun learning videos.